the Cleer Ally Plus. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Cleer Ally Plus true wireless earbuds with active noise cancellation. They come in two color options, black and white, and fall on the higher end price range. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, an assortment of ear tips, a carrying pouch, and a USB cable for charging. The Cleer Ally Plus features 10 hours of listening time, 30 hours with the case, 10mm drivers, Bluetooth 5.0, AAC and aptX codec, active noise cancellation and ambient sound, touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX4 sweat and water resistant. The case has a unique look with a clear top so you can see the earbuds. It has a metallic feel all around and it's compact in size. On the back of the case, you have the USB-C charge port. And opening the lid, you will find the charge status LED in the middle. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and the earbuds are easy to remove from the case. The inside of the case has a matte finish, and the ear indicators are etched in. The earbuds have a sharp and sleek look to them. It has an ergonomic shape, and the ear indicators are on the inside. On the outer face, it has a nice accent all around, along with a large surface for the touch controls. And you can see the Cleer branding. Each of the earbuds have in-ear sensors, microphones, touch control, LED, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. Controls are straightforward, a few press and a long hold for playback and calls. It also has volume controls. And toggling the active noise cancellation and ambient mode is just 3 taps to cycle through. The case comes in at 2.6 by 1.7 by 1.1 inches. It weighs in at 64 grams and the earbuds come in at roughly 14 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind.
I wake up, flex, I'm down now, check, no drip, just tell her run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell her run it up. I wake up, flex, I'm down now, check, no drip, just tell her run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell her run it up. Through my hands,
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Cleer Ally Plus microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well and it came in loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Cleer Ally Plus. The earbuds were comfortable and it created a nice tight seal. They seated well in my ears and it felt secure. The touch controls don't add additional pressure in the ear canals when navigating. Build and quality is solid. The case has a unique look and I like the fact that you can see the earbuds. It feels durable. The earbuds have a nice sharp design to them and I like the accent on the outer face. Touch controls are responsive and I had no issues navigating. They are slim and it doesn't protrude out as much. Battery life is good, coming in at 10 hours and 30 total with the case. I would have liked to see app integration as well as wireless charging. The active noise cancellation feature on these are really good. When activated, it blocks out a lot of the surrounding noise. Probably one of the top ANC earbuds that I have tested so far. The ambient mode also worked as advertised, and when activated it picks up the surrounding noises loud and clear. Now when it comes to sound, all I can say is these don't disappoint. The bass is excellent. It comes in punchy and tight. Very clean sounding. It's not overwhelming. Mids and highs also come in clean and clear and it stands out. There is good depth and separation. It kinda reminds me of the Edifier TWS-NB. The overall sound experience was great and it blew my expectations away. Overall, these are an impressive pair of earbuds that deliver on the sounds and active noise cancellation feature. And in my opinion, a solid choice if you're looking for a new pair. The design is sleek and it feels solid, and the price point is in line with many of the earbuds that offer the same features. So that is my review of the Cleer Ally Plus True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.